Alright guys, have a look at this. This is where the student fails, unfortunately, and they miss a pedestrian at the crossing, and what happens is the student's actually talking to the examiner now, trying to make a small chit chat, sort of asking him, it was quite funny actually, asking him, oh, what kind of aftershave you wearing? It smells really nice. The poor guy, they were just trying to make chit chat, but they got distracted, and you can see the pedestrian on the left hand side. That lady's gonna even put her hands up in a second, as if, what are you doing, you know, like, I'm here waiting. So I've paused the video a second now. I'm going to carry on playing it in a sec, so you can have a look. But yeah, it was such a shame. Clear as daylight, but just I don't know, they just didn't see him. I mean, they were just too focused on speaking to the examiner. You see the lady just puts her hands up there. Thank God she didn't cross, because that, you know, obviously that could have been dangerous. But they would have seen him if they would have crossed, obviously. But yeah, that just felt like such a waste. Even the examiner, that was a fantastic drive. Student felt like he knew exactly what to do everywhere, except for this one moment where he just got distracted. You know, we're playing it again now in a second, so have a look. So loads of cars here on the sides, and then this is up near Mill Hill, by the way, just in case you're curious. They've got the car park which they use on the left, and clear view here, and the lady's there, and she's waiting and waiting and waiting, and there. So even I've said it like 3 times before we've actually come up. So it's not even like the lady was walking up towards it or anything like that. So yeah, it's such a shame, and just feels like such a waste of a test. Poor guy, just one of those things. Test nerves and pressure.